Our dear friends, I'm going to show you one recipe which is based on a local product of Amorgos, fava. Fava. It is something that you can find anywhere in the world, in any kind of supermarket. Okay, this is fava, how you will find it in the supermarket. And the plant is this one. Now it is dry, of course. And here it is like a small piece. They are round. With special procedure, it becomes, you see the small ones? With a special procedure, it becomes the yellow fava that you can find in the supermarket. Okay, so we start with the dish of preparing the fava. We take 1 cup of this with 5 cups of water and we boil it. At the beginning, it is going to make a little foam. You take it away and then you put salt, pepper, some chopped onion and you boil it. When it is soft, then you take it in the blender and it becomes smoothie, creamy. Depending on the water that you use, it can be like a soup or it can be something harder. Now, I have ready fava here and I'm going to show you how you can make a beautiful vegetarian dish. So, this is the fava cooked. It is from yesterday, so it is kind of hard. It's not very creamy, all right? But we can make a very nice vegetarian dish. Here is fava. We put some chopped tomato on top, like this. And we put some chopped onion. We sprinkle it with dill, like that. And of course, with some olive oil. Look how beautiful this it is. It's very healthy, nutritious, and filling. You will really love it, okay? And it's very easy to do it. So, on Amorgos, because they had a lot of that, the leftover, they used to make it the next day croquettes. So they would have something different. It's very easy. We take, say something like 1 cup of cooked fava, okay? Then we put around 1 cup of chopped onion. Onion is always very, very good. This is the dill, which makes very nice flavor. And we take about a cup of also of dill. We can add some grated cheese. We can put some salt, pepper, and baking powder. I have it here. I have it all mixed here. So it is 1 baking powder, 1 salt, and 1.5 of pepper. So I sprinkled over there. And then I can add some oil. We need some liquid here in order to add the flour. Okay. Now, if you want, you can add some eggs. You can add 2 eggs. And we're going to add some tomato, grated tomato, to make it liquid. So in this mixture, we need to have some liquid in order to add the flour, which is necessary to make the mixture solid and be able to fry it. So here we have 2 eggs. I add them, and then we need also some more liquid, so we add some grated tomato. You use this to grate the tomato, and we add that. So we go like this, we mix it. The eggs will get all the ingredients together. And then we have to add the flour. So we can fry it after that. You will see it has to be not very liquid and not very hard. We shall need about 1.5 cups of flour. Now in here, if we like, we can add some more herbs. You can add, for instance, mint. That makes it always very nice. And this is dill, but if you want, you can also use anise. So you see the mixture is ready. If you like, you can add some grated cheese, little or more. So this is a vegetarian dish, but if you want to make it vegan, you can skip the eggs and the cheese. You can still make it, okay? And we are here ready, almost ready, there, to fry it. We're going to use deep oil. We go like this. And we fry it. It will be ready when it gets brown. And then we're going to place them on a paper, kitchen paper, so the extra oil will be absorbed before we serve them. It smells very nice. The mint and the dill really makes it very, very flavor, and it's really beautiful. It's very easy for everybody to make it because the ingredients can be found anywhere in the world, in any supermarket. So nice and brown from both sides, there. And there is another way to make the old left fava, the leftover fava. You can fry it with onion and put some rusks in there and eat it in the morning. This is what the farmers, the old farmers used to do here on Amorgos before they left for the fields in the morning, in old times. And with a nice glass of wine, they were perfectly fine to start the day at the fields. So here we are. Okay, and then we can use another plate to serve them. You can use some tzatziki, some dip to decorate it. And here we are. We can sprinkle some more of this dill and we're ready to enjoy it. And with this beautiful landscape of Amorgos, I think it can be enjoyed more, much more. So enjoy it, try to make it, and it will be nice when you come here to try it at the original place. Thank you.